In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious Spam recipe with mushroom sauce. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 can of sliced Spam, half a cup of oil, 1 can of mushrooms, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 beef bouillon cube, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 2 tablespoons of butter. In a pan over heat, we're going to add in the oil. Add the Spam into the pan and cook thoroughly on both sides until crispy. Once crispy, flip to the other side and continue cooking. Once finished cooking, take out onto a paper towel lined plate. Set this aside for later. In a pan over heat, add in the butter and melt completely. Add in the mushrooms. Add in the beef bouillon cube and mix until it's completely combined. Add the flour and mix until thoroughly combined. Add in half a cup of water. Season with the pepper. Bring to a boil. Top our cooked Spam with this mushroom sauce mixture. Our Spam recipe with mushroom sauce is complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.